Good morning, everybody. I am here with my students. We are taking a nature walk at Riverwood Conservancy in the city of Mississauga. This beautiful place is a very good place to take a nature walk in the city of Mississauga, right in the city of Mississauga, in the heart of the city, just 7 minutes from Square One. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Riverwood Conservancy, and you can see the colors. They're vibrant.
Beautiful, I love it.
Yes, I know this place is wonderful, magnificent. Yeah, look at this. And so, yes, what's your name? And you're from?
India.
Wow, you love this place?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place. Cheers, everybody. Love you all. Happy fall. These are my students, Parminder, Hassan, Olena, Najla. They are enjoying the beautiful fall colors at Riverwood Conservancy. Life is so beautiful, God is so good. Beautiful fall colors, amazing. I love it. Parminder, do you like?
Fish.
Oh my God!
Look,
okay, there is a dead fish. Yes. And yeah, big salmon fish, a huge one.
We can hold it. I can go and I can bring it.
No, but it's dead. It's
Just for
it will
picture.
smell. It will smell. Oh yeah. No, but maybe it's up to you.
It's
Yeah,
not
just a
eatable.
picture.
It's not big.
Yes, I can try. Yes.
This is Riverwood Conservancy, and that river is Credit River. And it's a little bit murky. The water is murky today because of the rain. It's not so clear. But we love Riverwood Conservancy in the city of Mississauga. Beautiful fall colors, everybody. I love it. I love it here, everybody. The color is just amazing. The color is awesome. So I am here with my students today, and I am really so happy to make people happy in my class, and all the people in Canada. Not all the people in Canada, but many people in Canada. So we are at Riverwood Conservancy, and the people behind me are my students, my lovely students. They are newcomers to Canada, and they are trying to learn English so that they can make a difference in the lives of the Canadian people in the We are on our way back to the car. We are now leaving Riverwood Conservancy, and I am here with my beautiful students. I am with Dina, Rania, Parminder, Hassan, Iqbal, Najla, Olena, and Iman. This is a beautiful place, everybody. You should come to Riverwood. Yes.
So beautiful.
I can't believe that.
Yes, a beautiful place. It's unbelievably beautiful.
It's fantastic. I feel sorry because I didn't know that before.
No,
I
but
will
now
take my
you
kids.
know, right?
Yeah, now I know. Thank you so much, Andrew.
Yeah, you're welcome. It's so beautiful here. Yeah. So you can see they're my students. Wave your hand, everybody. Cheers, cheers. Fall is here, but we will not fall. We will rise.